Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to do an upgrade by swapping out the standard stationary glass roof sunshade for a really cool retractable sunshade for our 2023 Tesla Model Y. Let's go! If you're like us and live in a hot place like here in Las Vegas, then you already know how hot it can get during the summer. So having a sunshade in your Tesla, it's a must. It can get really hot inside a car and it can damage the interior over time. We do have a sunshade in there right now as well, but we want something that we can just open and close to enjoy the panoramic view. So thank you to our sponsor, EVBASE, for sending us a retractable sunshade for our 2023 Tesla Model Y. It's on sale right now for $289, but if you use our discount code, which is ARCHNIC, you will get 15% discount on top of that. So bringing down the price to $245.65. Well, that's a great deal, right? So let's go ahead and go through what's inside the box. We have a frame which comes folded. Okay. And you get two front and back mounting bars. And these are the screws and screwdriver and some white gloves to wear. And finally, we have the frame or liner that should blend well with the interior of our Tesla Model Y. If this is your first time into our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please help us grow and support our channel by clicking that subscribe button and thumbs up. Thank you so much. Now let's head over to the garage where my husband will go over the installation process.
Hi, what's up guys? Archie here, back again with another installation video. Thank you EVBASE for sending us this another awesome accessory for our 2023 Tesla Model Y. Today I'm going to go over on how to install this retractable glass roof sunshade from EVBASE. Let's get started. We have the sunshade frame. We have some screws and a couple of nuts, a pair of gloves, a screwdriver, and we have the mounting bars, front and back. But first, I'm going to remove this stationary sunshade that we bought from Amazon because it's time to upgrade. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unfold frame. I'm going to use the small screws for both sides to lock the frame together, okay? All right, it's very easy. It's just slide right in. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight. Now let's do the other side. Slide it in, screw it in there, make sure it's tight but not too tight. All right, now I'm gonna go inside the car and install this two mounting bars, one in the front, right, and one in the back. All right, let's go inside the car and install this. So I'm going to install the smaller bar in the back. Just slide it in here in between the glass and the trim, okay? It's really easy. It's just slide it in there. It's not gonna damage the glass because it's plastic, so, but do it slowly, okay? That's it, really easy. And then I'm gonna do the same at the front. Right, next is I'm going to remove these screws that I'm going to use later on to secure the frame. Okay, there are 4 of them. That's 1, there's 2, and there's 2 more at the back. I should have done this before I installed this mounting bars, but it's all good. All right, now it's time to put the frame in. All right, just slowly. I'm gonna try to do it myself. For now, I'm gonna use the front seats to support the frame to kind of help me to put the frame in place. All right, go ahead and screw this corner first. It's kind of hard by yourself, but I think I can make it work. I'm not gonna screw it in all the way, just enough to support the frame, and then I'm going to do the other corner. Cut the other screw, screw it in. All right, I'm not gonna screw it in all the way, just enough to support the frame. Okay, let's do the front. Okay, maybe a little adjustment, and this one is, it looks good. All right, screw that one first. All right, not too tight. All right, it looks good. Screw it in place, not too tight though. Just make sure they're all tight. All right, I did it. I was struggling at first, but I figured it out. So just use this front seats to kind of like support the frame while you're screwing all the screws one by one on each corner. But so far so good. Look at this. It slides smoothly, closed. All right, so far so good. The next step is to put the frame cover, and this time I'm going to wear the pair of gloves they provided. So there are velcros all around the frame and velcros all around the frame cover, so just stick it on there just like that. Good. All right, I did it. I'm done. So I really like the honeycomb design. It's really nice. I really like it. I can open and close it from here, and yeah, it slides very smoothly. So there are magnets on both sides, so they stick together when closed. The frame cover is really nice. It blends really well with the interior. Only 2 things that I don't like with this. It comes with a crease from shipping, but hopefully it goes away. Not a big deal. And you lose a little bit of the panoramic view. Also not a big deal. But overall, I really like it. It looks really good. It's way better than we had before. And it's gonna help when the sun is heating up during the summer when it's parked somewhere outside. It was easy to install. I struggled a little bit when putting on the frame, but I figured it out. If you enjoyed and found this video helpful, please help us grow and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.